Hi, my name is George and I just came back from Sri Lanka. I spent only 5 hours there, close to the airport village and the airport. Why? Before my trip, I wanted to go to Sri Lanka for about 5-7 days. I called the embassy in Washington, the Sri Lankan embassy in Washington. I asked all the details. Everything is open. You don't have to worry about anything. Just bring in a negative test for COVID, your vaccination, and your visa. That's it. So I complied with everything and I took my flight. Flew to Mexico City, Cancun, Cancun, Istanbul. And then I spent 16 hours at the airport in Istanbul to connect. And then flew over to the Maldives. Yeah, the Maldives. And then Colombo, Sri Lanka. I landed and then I found out that my car reservation, it wasn't there. I reserved through SIX, the German car company. No reservation, no company, nobody to meet me, nothing. Then I asked, well, you know, there's trains, there's buses. I found out that there's no buses, there's no trains, no transportation. Basically, Sri Lanka is on lockdown, but it's officially open. So I evaluated my pros and cons against, you know, if I was gonna stay or not in Sri Lanka. Unfortunately, without knowing, hotels open, restaurants open, no transportation of any kind, I took a tuk-tuk to get around and I decided to go back. So on the same aircraft I landed yesterday, the 7th of October 2021, the same aircraft I landed, I went back 5 hours later and I took my flight back to Istanbul, and here I am. There's Hagia Sophia right there. So here I am, all beat up because it took me 2-3 days to get there to beautiful Sri Lanka, and I did not see it. There's problems there. You guys gotta open up or tell the world that you're closed. Thank you. I will be back. I will be going back one of these days, but not right now, until you guys get your act together. Thank you, Sri Lanka, for misleading me.